Hello everyone. Today we will be unboxing the entry level device from Asus in the Zenfone series. This is Asus Zenfone 4, which is priced at around 6,000 rupees in India, and it is available through Flipkart. If you want to buy, you can grab it from Flipkart. This is basically the device which competes in the price range, entry level smartphone range, which is around 5 to 6,000. Some of the other devices which you can find in the same price range, the Xiaomi Redmi 1S and also the Moto E from Motorola, right? So today we'll be unboxing this Zenfone 4, and we'll have a look what's inside it in the box, right? As you can see, this is a typical Asus packing, which usually comes with this kind of circular holes on the top portion, which gives you a small glimpse of features that comes with phone. Like this phone comes with 3G Wi-Fi, then earphone capability, then Bluetooth 4.0, and then a camera, right? As you can see, this is the top cover. Apart from that, here these are the normal markings which comes with any smartphone box. With this is Intel Inside logo. Apart from that, on the back cover you can see so many barcodes which shows you the IMEI numbers of the device. Apart from that, various others logo, right? So let's open the device and let's see what's inside it. You can open it just by pulling it like this. So here it is, the Asus Zenfone 4, right? You can just use this small cutout to pull this out, the phone out. Here it is, your Zenfone 4 from Asus. This is a wrapper around the device which tells you some of the important features of this Zenfone 4. If you can read, it tells you that this comes with 5 megapixel master camera, which gives you crispy clear day shots. Apart from that, it comes with multicolor Gen case. I'm not sure what it means, and it also tells you that it comes with a Gen UI, which is the customized skin from Asus for all of its Android smartphones, right? We'll just pull that device out from the wrapper. So here it is, your Asus Zenfone 4. As you can see, this device build looks pretty solid, and it doesn't look like a cheap phone on the first look. The shiny look at the front and the almost sturdy back gives you a small feel of premium device. In fact, this is a plastic back cover on which you can find the logo of Intel and the Zenfone and even the Asus, right? So this is your Asus Zenfone 4. These are the front navigation keys, the Asus logo at the front. This is the speaker. Apart from that, the device comes with 0.3 megapixel camera here. This one is the 0.3 megapixel camera, right? This is your power button. This is the volume rocker button. Apart from that, this is your mic, small mic, if you can see, mic cut out. This is your USB port, micro USB port, which can be used both for data transfer as well as charging the device, right? This is your 5 megapixel camera from Asus. These are the speakers, right? There is no flash with this device, right? We'll open this device and see what's inside the back. You can open the device by using a small slot here, this one. Just use that to open the back cover. So here it is, we have opened the back cover. As you can see, this is the back cover, which is a plastic. It's not so strong, but it feels good enough when put on the back of the device. This is your Asus, this is the big battery from Asus. The capacity of this battery is 1600 mAh. So this is as you can see, this is a removable battery which you can remove from the back cover of from the back of the device, right? These are the usual IMEI numbers. Apart from that, this is your this is your SD card slot. Also, you can see these are the two SIM slots. You can see SIM 1 and SIM 2 written here. These are the two SIM card slots. As you may already know, this is a dual SIM device. So you can use two SIMs in this device, Asus, right? So we'll just put the battery and everything else back and close it. So that is Asus Zenfone 4 as a device. We'll check out what's more inside this box. As you can see, these are the usual manuals and warranty cards which comes with any smartphone. This is a user manual for Zenfone 4. This is warranty card for Zenfone 4, right? You can see what you can do in this with this device using this manual if you want to have a look, right? Apart from that, we have this is the charger, USB adapter or charger, you can say. Apart from that, this is the USB cable which can be used both for data transfer and also for charging the device using this adapter. We'll try to see what the capacity of this adapter is. The output of this adapter is 1.35 ampere at 5.2 volts. So that's it. Apart from that, nothing else in the box. As you may have noticed that Zenfone 4 doesn't come with an earphone and you need to buy it if you want to listen music on this Zenfone using a earphone. So that's it. Here it is, the unboxing video. This is the final content of this Zenfone 4.